Hi, Victoria here and welcome to another Top Tip Tuesday. I have a rather thought-provoking tip this week which relates to those fine dining restaurants with fresh lobster on the menu. Now, you may already know that once you've chosen your lobster of choice at the restaurant, one of the more traditional ways of cooking lobster is to place it live into boiling water. Now, stick with me because this will be relevant to your business. All will soon become clear. So, back to our clawed friend. You see, because of the boiling temperature of the water, the lobster will of course try to escape the pan by clawing its ways up the sides. And this is why the chef will hold a lid on it to make sure it can't get away. But here's an interesting observation. If you cook more than one lobster in the same pan at the same time, there's no need to cover the pan. And that's because the other lobsters will pull it back down as it tries to escape. It's the other lobsters that are sabotaging their chances of freedom. So are you that lobster that's wanting to break free, to get out of the pan, the boring networking group, the unsuccessful business, or even a friendship group that's got too many negative people pulling you back from your dreams and aspirations? We see it too often. You're trying to move forward and better yourself, but there's always someone trying to bring you down. And it's more common here in Britain, where our culture is very different to places like America, where success is welcomed and much more openly encouraged. Now, we can't do too much about these people. They're everywhere. But there is something we can do to make sure we don't get in the pan with these people. So stop making excuses, rise above the negative forces, take responsibility for your life and your business, and don't let anyone else pull you back down. That's all from me today. Until next time. Bye.